She's on the screen, playing cozy games, living her dream. With her ears so fluffy and her heart so kind, she's got the best community you'll ever find. She's got that smile,
And his name is John C.
We're building worlds, having fun and laughs. In Mom's cozy space, we forget the past. Lon the bunny girl, with a heart so true. Cozy games and friends, that's what we do. Join the stream, it's a cozy dream. Together we're stronger as one team. From farming fields to puzzle nights, Lon's got the magic that feels so right. We're here to chill.
Look at this team. We're gonna do great.
In her cozy world we celebrate. She's got that smile, that spark in her eyes, bringing warmth and joy with every surprise. We're building worlds, having fun and laughs. In Mom's cozy space, we forget the past. Lon the bunny girl, with a heart so true. Cozy games and friends, that's what we do. Join the stream, it's a cozy dream. Together we're stronger as one team. So grab your snacks, settle in tight. Lon's got a world that feels just right. Every game, every smile we share. With Lon we know that love's in the air. Lon the bunny girl, with a heart so true. Cozy games and friends, that's what we do. Join the stream, it's a cozy dream. Together we're stronger as one team. Lon's the bunny girl, she's leading the way, bringing light and warmth every single day. Come join the fun, don't hesitate. In Lon's cozy world, it's never too late.
Hear me now. Yes, yes, yes. Hi, Blazing Boots. Welcome in. Welcome in. I'm just Everett. I'm out of practice. Listen, it's been about 2 weeks. It's been about 2 weeks since I've had to do my. I'm gonna. So I need a little practice. Okay, listen. And the fact that you insulted me in Sir's stream and said that his was better than mine, I'm kind of upset at that. I still remember that. I'm a little salty from it.
I'm watching you, Wazowski.
Inbred.
I never met nobody like you. Had friends and I've had buddies. It's true, but they don't turn my timing the way you do. I've never met nobody like
You. Thank you, friend. I appreciate you. Not only are you an amazing friend, but you're also an incredible mod here. I appreciate you. We have a treasure train, guys. This is a treasure train. I don't recall. You know what? I don't remember it either. I don't remember it either now. I was just talking out of my ass. Treasure train, holy moly, guys. I think that's the first ever treasure train we've gotten. That's crazy. Thank you so much for starting this amazing treasure train. I appreciate you. You did not have to do that. I'm so happy that amazing members of the community and some lurkers that I see here have gotten an awesome gifted sub. Hopefully they're able to use it. Wild sauce? Yeah, wild sauce. I don't remember anything. It's crazy what I remember now. Absolutely nothing. Guys, we did the update today, and I have unlocked a couple of things. I have not opened some of the boxes, though.
Listen!
Like I unlocked it. Your Discord hasn't announced anything because the cool kids get here before the Discord announcement. You know. Never mind, just Hi, Kitty. Welcome in. And Blazing Boots, welcome in, dear. We have a treasure train going, so holy moly.
Alrighty then.
Have a good bowling time. Browning Simmer, welcome in. Welcome in. Thank you so much for keeping me tabbed, Ingrid. I appreciate it. Oh my gosh, hi, Grammy. Thank you so much for being here. I missed you too, Kitty. I miss you too. I was like, we need to get back on some
Look at
Disney
this
Dreamlight
team.
Valley
We're
playing.
gonna do great.
I have had my qualms, I would say, with Disney Dreamlight Valley. The patch notes have made me a little less frustrated with it, I would say. There's a lot of shoutouts happening. It has made me a little less frustrated. I'm not sure how I feel about this star path. And I have mixed feelings about a couple of things. But then again, I have not played the entire thing yet. So we will see what that looks like. Hold on, let me get my popcorn ready. I just got Miko and did my snap. Aw, yeah. Can't wait to see it. How are your streams going, Browning Simmer? How is the duck going? You've been playing some couple other games too, other than the duck game. I'm trying to remember what the name of it was. I have been decorating. I did finally get into the mood of decorating in this game again. So I did start messing with my peaceful meadow, and I really do like the look of it. Let me go
Like
clear
Gusto says,
this,
anyone can cook.
clear this out real quick. I took a shortcut. That's not the normal pathway. Uneven. You know what? I'm going with the uneven vibe. So like, I was like, you know what? F it. I'm just gonna go and decorate how my heart feels this should be done. I've only done the Olaf stuff, some of the star path. I have not touched Pocahontas at all. Well, I haven't. I like picked up the thing off the ground and that was it. The algae. And that was it. So I still have, where is she? Moana's still trying to ping me for the quest. I don't know where she went. There she is. So I have that ready to go. I need a command for an uneven. I think we do need to. If you can find it, you can personalize it all you want. I haven't even picked that up. It was over in Dazzle Beach, and I actually picked it up at random because I was like, oh, what's this? And then it was like, oh, this is the quest start.
You're lurking.
Thanks for being a creep.
Gathering data.
I have 4 to pick up. Oh my. Thanks. I don't know why, but I'm quieter. I am quieter. I don't know what's going on. Why I'm much quieter right now? I have no idea. Usually I am obnoxious when I do that. So I sound like a turkey when I'm doing. Sweet. Thank you so much for the amazing hype train. I appreciate you. Thank God. Or I was like, thank God. He does not like care for the unleashing the 7th element, apparently. But yes, I have been decorating in this area, and I got this little setup here with the flower stand, and then I got this back here going. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna decorate. Heartopia has really inspired me to just decorate how I see fit. I feel like maybe I was constricting myself on decorating in Disney Dreamlight Valley. So I just said, you know what, I'm just gonna decorate how I want now. And I do have to buy some tables and stuff for the coffee shop to put over this corner. But I love the dog part. The dog part is so cute. I love it so much. We're gonna get more doggos in here. I gotta put one of the dog houses back here. And I finally made it to where I could reach these back here, because before I could not reach this stuff back here. So I've just been tinkering with it. I do have the Olaf exhibit museum thing up and running. And I'm gonna show that. This is the last area that I need to design, but I was waiting for the exhibit to come into the valley for me to finish decorating with it. You've been decorating too? Awesome. So I was going with like a cute like cherry blossom design over here. Oh my gosh. That is adorable. Oh my goodness. See, I was told, well, I heard in Slev's stream that you should wait until you unlock Pocahontas to get like new stuff in the shop. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go unlock Pocahontas before I go into the shop, but I do love the new dress designs. I will say that I do appreciate, hold on, we got too many noises happening. I do appreciate that Disney Dreamlight Valley dev teams have actually started focusing more on the base game items and putting more into Scrooge Shop versus just pumping out more premium. I've been getting really frustrated with the fact that they've just been pumping out premium items and haven't really been focusing on the base game. And it makes me happy to know that they have kind of turned towards the base game a little bit more to give it some love. But we'll see how it goes. I also like the Star Path Ball items. I think it's great. I don't like the idea that there's red chests. I don't know, like, what if you have all the stuff in the red chest? Like, what if you literally, like, no lie, day one player, you have collected every single item? What does that do for you then? And yes, that's probably a very small percentage of the player population for this game. However, it's something that we still do need to consider. Yeah, it's the recolored items, but what about the red chests? Because the red chests are for like items that you might not have yet. So I guess maybe new items that are like in the shop that you might have not gotten since the update. I don't know. I haven't fiddled with it yet. What is it? Events.
That's what she said.
I opened one I didn't have from a past star. Oh, so these are actually like Star Path items too? Like these are? Like no kidding? Hey, Grammy's streaking in here. Holy moly, 7 stream streak. I appreciate you. Hi, Sick Nos. Okay. Okay, so then what if you've gotten every Star Path item then? What does that do? I'm very curious. I'm glad it's not Scrooge Shop items. I would listen. I would be really upset if it was Scrooge Shop items, because that's what I was like. I don't know if I want to. I don't know if I like the idea of this item. So it kind of already looks like I actually have these items because there's a red chest on it already. And how do I? Oh, I have to like finish stuff. Okay, yeah. Complete and claim 3 rewards from 3 or more routine duties to unlock this. So I do need to continue on doing this. I finally got the hopscotch in my shop. Hell yeah. I heard that Scrooge Shop has gotten better for sure. I have been doing, I was grinding out this portion all of yesterday. I actually have all 3 of these chests done. I didn't realize that the shinies also counted towards this. So not only do you need the regular ones, but you need the shiny ones here. I need to have you come visit my fish room. I would love to. Haas, how are you doing, dear? Thank you so much for being in here. Why would you do that? We literally just started. Hold on. Hold on. Before people start doing anything crazy, did I restart the giveaways? I thought I did.
You're back.
But I just want to check before you guys start gambling and doing all that kind of stuff. Dashboard. Sometimes I want to play music on this game, and sometimes I want to just play my own music. Doesn't seem like the music on this game is doing anything for me, so we're just gonna go ahead and play the music here. Let's see. Happy vacation and welcome back. Thank you so freaking much. I appreciate it. It was an awesome vacation. I have it all wrote down for you for the Dazzle Beach. Oh, okay. All right, let's see. Streaming tools, loyalty, giveaways. Let's go ahead and copy. Okay, and then create and start. All right, the giveaway has been started. Let me go ahead and refresh the points. I gotta reset the loyalty board. There we go. Okay, perfect. Everybody's back to 0 now. Congratulations. At the fact that Haas coming in makes you think about gambling and stuff in your DMs. Perfect. And we'll check over there. Let's see. I completely closed Discord. I don't know why I did that. Loud for lawn. That sounds really sus, my friend. Is that what you meant? Alright. Oh, just wait. Oh no. Alright, let me scoot everything over. And let me pause my thing. There we go. It's different from the others. Oh, okay. You went experimenting, Haas. I love it. I love to see it. Let me go ahead and make sure this volume is up. Sounds like some Green Day.
Turn the lights up. This one's for Lon.
Oh, he's so cute. I love it. This sounds amazing.
We showed up strangers in the dead of night. Now we're screaming your name in neon light. Yeah, you flip the switch, now the whole world glows. Every stream you run, yeah, the energy grows. Got the spark in your voice, can't fake that fire. Lift us up higher and higher and higher. From a single ping to a packed out scene, you turn a chat into a living dream. You don't even see what you've done. Made 1,000 hearts beat like one. Yeah, we came for fun, but we found something real. Now this boss something you can feel. We go out for love. Hands up, yeah, this moment's ours tonight. You got that risk, got that unstoppable glow. Every word got us yelling, let's go. Yeah, we ride on your energy wave. You the reason that the space got saved. Lala P, yeah, we shout your name. You lit the spark, we became the flame. Yeah, you see our souls turn little moments into massive roles. Inside jokes hit like a backstage pass. Every laugh echoes, yeah, it always lasts. Through the chaos like over a rough day, you got a way to make it all okay. We ain't just viewers, we a battle crew, standing 10 toes down right next to you. If the world ever tried to meet your shine, we'll be right there on the front line. You gave us a blaze, now we're giving it back. Yeah, this whole chat got your back, no slack. We go loud for Lord, turn it up, we're crossing every line. You got that riz, yet it's so clean. You the heart of this wild machine. Oh, every stream got us feeling alive. You the reason that we all survive. Lord, yeah, we stand and scream. You don't just stream, you build a team. When the lights fade out and the screen goes
He does
dark,
emotes. So cute.
you're still the echo in every heart.
Gosh, this is so
This ain't
fun.
just pixels, this ain't pretend. You made a space where we all fit in.
Too much hype, baby. Too much hype.
You the soul of this whole damn scene. Lord, yeah, we raise the sound. This is your stage. Wear your crown.
Love it. That is amazing.
Look at this team. Great.
Danny! Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my freaking goodness. You have outdone yourself, sir. That one. That is amazing. Welcome in, Danny. How are you, dear? Thanks, guys, for hanging in here with us. Haas is streaking. He has done a 20 stream streak. Thought you deserved a concert for when you got back. This song is amazing. I'm adding it immediately to the stream folder. No, not over there. Oh my gosh. In case you guys haven't seen Slev's thing, I had an intrusive thought moment, and it's one of those moments where you let intrusive thoughts like take over because it becomes a really hilarious moment. And I created this. And I regret nothing. I absolutely regret nothing. I thought it was absolutely hilarious. And I was like, you know what? If this man is getting this picture. Because he kept, like, he was like, I love Miko. I love Miko. And I was like, you know what would be hilarious? Is if I made Slev Miko. And then the intrusive thoughts took over. And so now we have Slaviko. But you know what's even better? You know what's even better? I didn't add the corn. I did not add the corn. The AI, 'cause I'm not this talented. Let me tell you this right now. I am not this talented. I was like, hey, can you put this face on Miko the raccoon? And AI was like, bet. And it gave me Slaviko, and it put the corn in his hand, and I lost it because I was like, he's got the corn song, it's corn, and it was perfect. It was beautiful, and I absolutely just was rolling when it came out. Okay, there we go. I added this song to the stream playlist. It is really good. I did tell him, I was like, hey, I'm not this talented. It's definitely made by AI. So take that as you will. I do not claim the work of AI. I'm not that good. All right, guys, let's see. And Haas, thank you so much again for that song. It was very beautiful. When is the next time you stream, sir? When is the next time you stream? We're gonna open up this chest. Apparently, you can get an aquarium wall, guys. Like, apparently this is something you can put in your house. So I'm really excited. I'm hoping that this box is that item. You streamed last Saturday, I think? Okay. What is it? Peaceful aquarium. Oh my gosh, what? Okay, hold on. That's why I said you need to come see my fish room. This is amazing. Wait, so I can't change the fish on it? So the fish that are in there are gonna stay there. I cannot change the fish. This isn't like Heartopia where I can change them. Dang it. Okay, well, listen, I will take the aquarium. I'm still happy with it. But it would be nice. It would be nice if we could change. Night! Over here streaking too? Holy moly. Look at you streakers. I don't catch the streaking notifications until like a little bit later because Firebot has not figured out a way to catch stream streaks. So I have to now have an additional window open on my freaking desktop just to see if you guys are streaking. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you like that I look for you streaking. I will consult with the Magic 8 Ball and let you know. Oh, okay. Well, tell the Magic 8 Ball it better be soon. I'm just saying. What is in this box? Get up. What is in here? Oh, that is an absolute... That's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Look at her facial expressions in this. It is so freaking lovely. Like the way her face looks and just how, I don't know, it's just so beautiful. Like the way they captured that scene. That is absolutely amazing. I don't know where I'm going to use these. I don't think that's supposed to be upside down, Disney Dreamlight Valley. Oh wait, because it pops up. Yeah, that makes sense. It pops up. I was like, wait a minute, that's upside down. I got more dresses today. Yes, we had 2 in the shop, and I'm like, I need these. Yeah, the horns go up. Okay, that makes sense because they move. This is the one that I'm most excited for. I did kind of spoil this for myself because I saw it on somebody else's like Twitter post, but this is a companion house, and I'm so excited to have this item. Oh, wait, you get like another one? A bonus one? Hold on. Let me look at this one real quick. Peaceful Metal Companion Home. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. Are the bunnies already in it though? Or do I put the bunnies in it? What is this? Like the clothes? Peaceful Metal Ensemble. Oh. Okay. Okay, listen. I didn't have a lot of hope for this Olaf exhibit thing that they were teasing. I was pretty like, I don't know if I would really care for this, because as somebody who's been playing the game for a long time, if you're just gonna go tell me to put the crap that I have been collecting over like 4 years into this museum, I really don't see like the motivating factor. However, now actually being in the actual like exhibit itself, as a person who has been playing this game and having to like fill in the items, it was more interactive than I thought it was going to be. And I do like the reward items for the completion of it. So at first I wasn't very hopeful on this new building. I thought it was just going to be another thing in my valley that was just going to take up space, but I'm actually liking it. And I do like that they give you an additional reward for completing the room. So that room's complete. I cannot wait to put that in my valley. So we're gonna probably put it, ooh, maybe in the Forest of Valor. Is this gonna be another aquarium? I'm assuming so, because it's the one on the wall. If last room's really showed anything, it's this. Okay, cool. So you could have like themed rooms after even specific locations. I will not be able to do the third one because I don't have the final turtle companion. I don't remember when the black turtle pops up during the week. This is absolutely adorable. I have a Lilo and Stitch Island. I'm absolutely gonna put these on the Lilo and Stitch Island. But I don't have the last turtle companion for this. I like that he's just up there sunbathing. He's so cute. Monday. I need to look up the time for the black turtle either. Ah, okay. So it's on Monday, just not sure of the time yet. So I'm okay with that. It looks like they are future planning this, like future proofing this, because there's also doors up top. And let's see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 8 locations. So if there's 8 locations here, I'm gonna have to exit the building to look at it. 10 a.m. On Monday, see, that's why I don't have it. I work during that time. I was fooling around with different sounds. I tried making rap songs too. That's hilarious, and I would have loved to hear that sound bit. What was it, like 8? Okay, so that was like 8 sections, right? So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Was it 8 or 7? 8 or 7 rooms. Because technically, the plaza does that. I don't know if that actually counts as a location. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8. So are they going to include the plaza in this at some point? Play it, Olaf. You know, I like this spot. Oh my freaking goodness. I did not know that those were back there. That's so cute. That is absolutely hilarious. Did you guys know that those were back there? I like that he kind of has like a permanent spot to hang out now. That never looks so cute. Yeah, and it does look like they future-proofed it because there's doors up top to different expansions. It's gonna look like. So we will see some more in the future. How we get up there, whether we're going through that door, which is kind of silly because I have to go through that door to go to those doors. I don't know, but we can't actually like get up. We can't see. I'm trying to be nosy, guys. I'm trying to be nosy. See, not let me look. Okay, so we got that. I want to put the bunnies down because I want to see what they look like. And then I need to go unlock Pocahontas so I can actually get into the shop because I am curious on what new items I'll get in the shop because all I've gotten is new clothing. And I'm pretty sure if I actually unlock Pocahontas, I can have access to more than just clothing and wallpaper. Alright, let's go see what this, if you can interact with this at all. Oh my goodness! You can put all the bunnies. Oh, we're gonna put all the bunnies. All the bunnies, yes. I think these are like the regular ones. I don't think he is in there. So let's see what other bunnies. You asked for it? Oh, you sent me the rap version. I'm excited. I'm very excited. The Easter bunnies. Oh, they're coming out like a little line. Oh my goodness. They're so cute. Look at that. Not sent, but working on it. Okay. This is like, oh, I don't know. We're gonna play it on stream. Oh, look at these little bunnies. Oh my gosh, they're so tiny and cute. I love bunnies. Clearly. Okay. Alright, let's get Pocahontas into this valley so we can get some items in the shop. I need the calico rabbit, but we'll have to wait till Monday. I hate that it's like, and hate's a strong word, but I really don't like that some of them are like time locked by hours that people are usually at work. It's safe for stream. What would I make that wouldn't be? I mean, I'm not saying it wouldn't be safe for stream. I mean, this is an 18+ stream. There we go. Let's see. Okay, maybe I'm hoping that there is going to be some music to this. You did finish the Easter event? I didn't even touch it. I think I was fishing and I got one green egg and I was like, oh, okay, cool. Hey Moana, I found this glowing algae. I was about to say algae, like from the movie Algae on Dazzle Beach. Oh yes, I wanted to talk to you about this. While I was out on my canoe today, the water beneath me was glowing. Is the glow connected to your grandmother? You need 45 green eggs to make everything new. Yeah, that ain't happening. No, definitely not. This was different. And there was something else. A strange wind carrying flower petals was swirling all around me. It was familiar, somehow like an old friend. When I looked closer, I saw the glow in the water was glowing algae. I think we should take the boating thing in my house, get out on the water, and find out more. I might if I finish up enough for you. Aw, I appreciate it. Let's see. Great idea. Let's go to your house, Lon, right away. I don't know why I said Lon right away. You just did. My dear, your house is not that way. You're just dancing for the bunnies. Look. That bunny's like, oh yeah. Get it, Moana. Get it.
My friends, the trolls, would love.
Alright. Let's see. Her house is over here. Oop, I need to do some cleaning on the beach. Is this Maui's house or Moana's house? I keep forgetting. There she is. Oh, that's new. That's a bit different.
Thanks for coming to see me.
Alright, I've got all those boating tools there. I can use them to get out on the water and follow the glowing algae. I'm definitely coming with you. Great, we make a great team. I wonder where the algae will lead us. I don't know why I want to say algae. Algae. Algae? This is not just another word that I cannot pronounce to save myself. Only one way to find out. Let's use the boating gear and see where the ocean takes us. Okay. Oh. Let me just teleport it over here. Got it. Let's see. I'm gonna put the game's volume back on. Hopefully there's some music. I am on streamer mode, which kind of makes it frustrating to play sometimes. But it is what it is. Okay. There we go.
Hey!
Lon, I think I saw the same flower petals floating on the wind that I noticed when I was on my canoe. That can't be a coincidence, right? I mean, it could be. Well, I say we look for more of those swirling flower petal winds on this island. I bet we'll get some answers once we look at them closely.
Great. Let's talk later.
Alright. I bet I completely went the route that the game did not want me to go. I bet the game's like, why is she going all the way around? Because I can, dang it. Because I can. Okay, nothing around here. Oh.
Hi.
There's something special about these swirling flower petal winds, right? Oh, for sure. You saw these at the same time as the glowing algae leading us here. Something is definitely going on. This wind, I get the feeling that it's a friend, or it wants to return a friend to us. What if you tried talking to it? I talk to the ocean all the time. Let me give this a try. Hello there, I'm Lon. Do you have a name? Hi, winds, windy friend, your windiness. You know what? I like that one.
Hey.
Lon, I think it's working. Something's happening. I like
Just find me later.
the windy
I'll
friend.
definitely be around.
Pick up the memory orb. Got it. Okay, so there's a spot by one rock, and there's a spot by a tree and grass. Got it. Very depictive.
Thanks for coming to see
That memory showed us 2 locations on this mystery island. I think we are being pointed in a certain direction. That's what I thought too. Let's investigate more of the mystery island and try to find those 2 locations. I'm sure we'll dig something up there to help us with this mystery.
And while we wait,
We hydrate. Thank you so much for the hydrate. How are you doing, Jimmy? Okay.
Hey, listen.
Alright. I think there's one over here, because this looks like the spot. Okay. And then there's one by the beach. Somewhere. I see it. I see it. I see it. I am doing well. Thank you so much. I came back from the vacay and I am, I'm very burnt here, but it has had time to heal. So thankfully I do not have to put on any more aloe vera. Because let me tell you, I was getting toasted. I was getting very toasted. I am a pale lady, okay? I am a very pale lady. And the sun and I are not friends. I'm doing good with the update. I have done the majority of Olaf's exhibit. I just need the black turtle, which I won't be able to unlock until I have a Monday off. I don't know when that's going to be happening. And I'm most certainly not driving home from work during my lunchtime to do that, because that would be crazy. But if it takes too long, I might have to. So we'll see. We'll just come home and eat lunch, I guess. Do it. It's between 10 and 4. I'm like, are you serious? Like, I remember I had to do that when I lived at my last home for the Calico Bunny. But that was also when my home was like 8-ish minutes away from my workplace. My home that I'm living in now is not that close to my work anymore. So funny thing, I just found out that there was an Olaf thing. I went the whole stream yesterday not knowing an Olaf thing existed. Wah, wah, don't you listen here, sir. Listen here. Is the Olaf thing worth it? I think it is. Yeah, I mean, you've already got the items. So it's more of just picking them all up and taking them over there. Oh, so sorry for yawning. So I think it's definitely worth it. What is it exactly? So it's like, I can show it to you.
Lon.
Jan Lapine, yep. Lon, what? What is it exactly? It's kind of like if you unlock each exhibit, you get an item. And there's like actually like a giant aquarium item that you can get. I have some of it already in my valley.
Let's talk
Oh.
later.
It made me do a puzzle. I have a portion of it already in my valley, which is the bunny companion home, which is absolutely beautiful. I love the bunny companion home. What in the... Oh, it's this right here. You are yawning too much, lovely. Gonna make me need coffee. I'm sorry. I know. I am resisting the urge to yawn. But the music is very calming. So I'm just gonna try to get past it. And let's get Pocahontas in the valley ASAP. That is the goal. This corner. That corner. Son of a biscuit eater. There we go. Get puzzled. I am quite puzzled, actually. Let's see. Right there. There. I'm not quite sure how long this Pocahontas quest takes. If anybody knows, please let me know. Because if this takes like 2 hours, then we might have to just take a break. Look for fishing spots around the island. Okay. Follow her? Absolutely not. She's gonna follow me.
Hello.
You're in charge of navigating today. I am literally Dory human version, okay? I should never be used as a navigator. You mean how she gets in the valley? Like how long does it take for her to get into the valley? Yeah. I'm not trying to do like up until level 10. I'm just trying to bring her into the valley so I can get new items in the shop. This is why we get along so well. I am Dory too. Yay! Use it to steer the canoe to where you want us to sail. Oh, interesting.
Hi, how are you?
Okay, perfect. How does she know it's jewelry pieces? Hi, Amy. How are you doing, dear? Where would you like to go? North. Oh, I thought we were gonna be like actually on the boat going like canoeing.
Hi, how are
Okay,
you?
do I fish? Interact with the boat on the Mystery Island head office. Where would you like to do I fish or what am I supposed to do here? Oh. I need to get close to those spots, I'm assuming. I think. Am I doing this right? Am I just going in circles? Maybe I need to... Oh no, it's the one I'm at right now. Maybe I need to go to the one where the swirling green circles are the closest, I guess? And think, let's stay here. You just explore the sections. Okay. Listen. I already went to this spot. That is so confusing. I already went to the spot. And I went back because I was like, what am I supposed to be doing here? I was searching around the island and I found a strange glowing whirlpool. It reminded me of the glowing algae. Huh. If there's something in that whirlpool, we should fish it out. Whirlpools are very good at hiding secrets. It's worth a try. Okay, let me think. We don't want to get too close with the canoe or we can get pulled in. Got it. Let's look around the Mystery Island for wreckage from any damaged boats.
Hey!
Then we can make something to extend our reach without getting too close to the whirlpool. Yeah, first time watching and we do the quest. Well, it is my honor. It is my honor to be the first one you watch do this.
Hi, how are you?
Hopefully I do not disappoint. Hi, Sparkles. Hello, hello, hello. How are you doing, dear? Okay. Oh, pick these up. Interesting. Interesting. Can I get it? There we go. Alright, we got 3 pieces. Bringing it to Moana. This stuff's perfect, Lana. I'll tie these planks together so you can fish in the whirlpool.
Thanks.
Appreciate you. We're going back to the beach. Spot 2. What in the world? Fish out the last jewelry piece in the glowing whirlpool by the Mystery Island rocks. Sweet. Or maybe if I wanted to jump into it. I feel like that would be more
Listen.
Really? They're gonna make us go through the whole animation? Items have been sent to my mailbox. Why though? Am I that full on my inventory? Not
Look
even
at
that
this
full.
team. We're gonna do great.
Where would I like to go? Home. Let's go back to the island. Hi Sparkles, how are you doing, dear? Love your dream snap, by the way. Okay. Sweet. we get this necklace? That is my question. Do we get this necklace?
Hey!
Try talking to the winds again. That worked before. Hello again, swirling flower petal winds. Is this necklace yours? I'm good, thank you. Took me a minute with the lighting. It looks lovely. I love how the picture is taken from behind her. So you see like the bare shoulders look is so beautiful. How would that work anyway? Do you even have a neck? Wait, Lon, something new is happening. I like how I'm like, you can't even wear the necklace when you don't have a neck. Very nice, very nice. I love it. It's Pocahontas.
Oh.
Oh my god, she's adorable. I'm back. I'm back. Oh, I've missed this place.
Yeah!
Pocahontas, it's so good to see you. I knew those winds felt like a friend. I think getting her was quick. Was too quick. I'm not mad considering I'm like I rush through story. I don't play this game for the story mainly. So I'm not upset at the quickness because I really do want to get into my shop and get like all the stuff. It feels Cinderella fast. I don't know, but is she gonna be as demanding as Cinderella was? Because wasn't Cinderella like super demanding for her friendship quest stuff? Like she needed everything. She was bougie. I don't know if Pocahontas is on that same level of bouginess of needing all the things. Yes, she's also demanding. I really hope not. If she's Cinderella demanding, I'm gonna be sad because did I finish Cinderella's quest? I think I did. No, Cinderella's was? Okay, good. I was like, okay. I was like, I didn't think Cinderella was fast. Getting the initial character is fast. But like the quests took a long time. But getting her in the valley was quick. Let's see. I am going to butcher the Native American language. And I am so sorry. Wingapo. I don't know if I'm right on that one. Greetings, Moana. I'm so glad to be back. And who is this? It's me, Lon. I was probably a child the last time you saw me. I see it now. Greetings, Lon, but I don't understand. When did you grow so much? You were away on your journey longer than you think, Pocahontas. I'm so happy to see you. You were done with 20 minutes of starting the quest. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
You're lurking.
Thanks for the lurk.
I'm gathering data.
Got off work and it was a brutal day. Gonna sit here and support you and space out with my Cheetos. What type of Cheetos, may I ask? I'm not a Cheetos snob, but I am curious on the type of Cheetos you eat. No judgment. All Cheetos are delicious. I am just very curious. Chester! Holy brand crunchy. Ooh. You love a good crunchy. I do like the puff Cheetos. I just don't like how they stick to my teeth. That is the only thing I don't like about the puff Cheetos. Any brand puff Cheetos. I'm not a fan. And the fingers, abso-freaking-lutely. It's like 8 fingers. I do not like puff Cheetos in this household because my kids are still learning proper hand washing. The amount of like Cheeto water, whatever it is, mixture on my light switch it's too much. I'm just like And then like they wash their hands, guys. They wash their hands, and then like they dry their hands on the little hand towel. This is why I don't have nice hand towels. There's like streaks of Cheeto cheese on my hand towels. It's like I know you didn't wash your hands well enough because I literally see cheese all over the hand towels. So, and it gets worse with the puffs. I mean, it's with every Cheetos, but like you see the buildup more with the puffs. So I will not have good hand towels in my bathroom for a couple more years at least. Hi, and yes, sounds familiar. Welcome in. How are you doing? Even with me, I leave cheese marks. It's like a mark of shame. You can only get them in Canada. My BF sent them to me. Oh, cheesies are better than Cheetos. Ooh. See, I like, you guys know like the what are those called? The like the malt balls, the chocolate malt balls that taste like cardboard and that were very, very popular in like the VCR like rental DVD places, and they were terrible. Whoopers? Yeah, those things. England has an alternate to that, and they're called Maltesers. And they are absolutely what those Whoppers or Whoopers, whatever they're called, should have been. Absolutely what they should have been. And if I ever see Maltesers, it's an immediate buy for me. It is an immediate buy. But welcome in, new friend. How are you doing? Bestie for the resties. I hope you are doing well. I wonder, how did you find us? If you want to let us know, that way I can figure out what part of the algorithm is actually being kind to me. Or if somebody suggested you to this dumpster fire, I'm so sorry. I'm well, a friend of Slevy. Oh, nice. Have you seen Slavico yet? I am very proud of that. I am very proud of my Slavico. Absolutely hilarious emote now. Gira. Okay, perfect. Nice. Okay, I will call you Gira then. See, at the very beginning of the forgetting, I saw signs that the Moontide Glow was going to return. Nice. Glowing algae was getting caught in our nets, washing up on the shore. It's nice to meet you too. Love the sleviness. Yes. Let's see, where is that picture? That thing still makes me laugh. Slavico. That is Slavico. He's also the new emote now for Slev, so his face, it's hilarious. I absolutely love it. So it is really, really freaking funny. I love it. So yeah, like now if you are subscribed to Slev, you will have access to Slavico. Thank you. I definitely, with the assistance of like AI graphic, whatever thing, putting his face on it. I am not that talented, but very funny. And that's what happens when you let intrusive thoughts win. That's exactly what happens when intrusive thoughts win. Yes. Oh my goodness. I just like how squishy and fat he was. We hold you 100% responsible. We applaud you. Yes. Thank you. I will happily be responsible for that. I will happily take that. Too funny. That's right. I forgot. The glowing algae we found is a sign that the Moontide Glow is coming. The Moontide Glow? What is that exactly?
All right.
Well, the Moontide Glow happens once a year here in the valley. Girl, I've been in this valley for 4 freaking years. Or almost 4 years. This is 2022. Where was it the other couple of years? Squeeze me? All the water off Dazzle Beach lights up. It's beautiful. I must have been asleep. I 100% must have been asleep during this. I don't know if you remember, Lon, but we used to celebrate it each year with a celestial celebration. unless the time in Disney Dreamlight Valley moves differently, I do not remember this. Little chonk. The Moontide Glow is also very powerful. I had hoped somehow it might be able to stop the forgetting. Something told me to come here to Moontide Island. When I got here, there was something glowing in the water. I dove in and I swam to it.
Lanabug 423 raided my stream with 12 viewers.
Ma'am?
Hey, listen.
It's a stampede! It's a game! Don't look back!
Raiders, welcome in. Thank you so much for the raid. How was your stream? Were you playing the update? What was your favorite part so far? And have you gotten Miko yet? Because we want to see the baby. I must see the baby. I ultimately want to hold Miko in my arms. I feel like he is going to be a permanent companion for me.
Thank you so much.
I just need the baby. Okay.
Some bunny is now following.
Welcome in. Thank you so much for the freaking follow. I appreciate it. Welcome to the Bunny Burrow. It is a cozy dumpster fire here. So you now just saddle up right next to the dumpster, get out your little s'mores kit because we're gonna keep you warm, but it's gonna be a little chaotic here. I do have a intro video, and I will play that for you in a second. If you have to raid and run, Lana, I completely understand. Get lots of sleep. Do some self-care. I have not finished the main storyline because, well, I reset and now I'm redoing it all. Oh my gosh, are you freaking kidding me? That is crazy. So you reset your game? Oh, I don't know if I could. I don't know if I could. I think if I reset my game, I would legit just not come back to it. Like I don't know if I could. I think me and a couple of viewers that were watching that one stream, like including Kitty.
Ohana means family. Family means nobody
Gets left behind.
or forgotten.
Or pretty cat. Or I got a kitty cat in my lap. I gotta get those butt pats in. We were struggling enough with me just destroying like my Forest of Valor and my plaza area. I think a couple people had strokes when they watched me do that because they were like, "What are you doing?" I'm like, "I'm sorry." That's probably when the intrusive thoughts should not have taken over. And Kitty, if I ever do that again, please slap me. Please slap me and say no. You really be like, Mom, remember that time? Yeah, I remember when I let the intrusive thoughts win. That was not a good time. But thank you so much for raiding into this dumpster fire. I'm going to give you some kitty tacks here. This is Chester, in case you have not met him. He is my baby boy. You're breasting. You're breasting. Don't you smack your lips at me. Ugh. So I had gotten anti-Disney, so my friend and I reset. She was on reset 15 and I was only 5. How? How do you? How? Reset 15? I would go crazy. Because then I'd have to do all those quests again, and I don't want to do those quests again. I couldn't. Like, can I just nuke my whole valley at that point? Like, I don't want to do the quests all over, but can I just like nuke the entire valley? Have to get that high, I would just quit. Yeah, I probably would quit too. She used to have in her community make it a goal Oh my goodness. Your friend sounds like wonderfully diabolical. She likes to reset. Like I need to meet this masochist. I'm gonna play Not Scared to Start Fresh. Oh, yeah, definitely Not Scared to Start Fresh. I usually have music playing during my stream. We are doing the story for Pocahontas. So I'm not playing the music right now, but it's usually not this quiet. Because I need something to fill in the space when I'm not yapping. But I do have an intro video, guys, I'm gonna show you and to get to know me a little bit more. Hope you enjoy. There is a jump scare, by the way.
My name's Lon. We do weird stuff here. We have cats.
That's what she said.
Hey, baby girl, I lost my number. Can I have yours?
Element. So just piece sushi. I cannot fucking pronounce that to save my life.
I'm gonna die.
Oh, that really hurt.
I love you. Ma'am, I'm gonna need you to go lay down. There's a mat here.
Nice.
You think you're funny, Divine? I'm funnier. Okay? You want to zoom? I'm funnier. Thank you. Oh my god. Oh god. I'm gonna do that reverse psychology. Maybe I want you to unfollow me. Do it. Yes, I am an anime fan. So if you know Dandadan, then you know. But I hope you guys enjoy it here at the dumpster fire. I thank you for dropping off your kiddos here at the pool. I will do my best to take care of them and keep them nice and cozy. But I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much, so much, much. And I'm trying to plan out, my affiliate anniversary is coming up soon. So the cow suit might be coming out again. So we have been less chaotic here recently. So
Hey, listen.
I feel like we're overdue for some chaos. So I'll have to figure something out. Scent. Just please don't mix the dumpster fire with the... No, listen. Hi, Kyle. Listen, the dumpster fire is going to be on the side of the pool. So if you happen to get out of the pool, you can just sit next to the dumpster fire and keep warm. Okay? No dumpster in the pool, please. And thank you. You sent something to me, Haas. Haas is experimenting, and he has made me a rap song, I'm assuming. You said rap, right? You did say rap to this music. So let me go ahead. I feel like we're almost done with Pocahontas, but let me go ahead and play this real quick.
Yeah. Whole chat been waiting on this one. Long. Welcome home. Welcome home. Yeah. Yeah. It got quiet for a minute, yeah, the stream felt strange. Same old nights, but it just ain't the same. We still pulled up, kept the lights on low, but it's different when you ain't running the show. Counted down days, yeah, we knew that return. Had the hype in the stash, let it build, let it burn. Now the note it fit. Man, we all went wild like a hometown hero coming back to the crowd. From the lurkers in the back to the ones up front.
I do trust him.
Everybody spinning back, cause you what we want. Yeah. Welcome back. Yeah, the chat on fire. Whole squad here taking it higher. 1 week gone, but the love stays strong. Now you right back where you belong. Yeah. Welcome back. Let the good times roll. You the spark, yeah, you make it whole. From the first hey guys to the end of the night, everything feel right. Welcome back to the light. We was dropping old clips, rewatching the plays, laughing at the moments, counting down the days. Kept the vibe alive, never let it fade. Cause a real one stream don't ever get replaced. Now you back on the mic, got the chat in sync. Every message flying faster than we can think. Hearts in the feed, yeah, the love run deep. This a family you built, this a bond we keep. It ain't just streams, it's a place we meet. Where the highs feel higher and the lows feel beat. So when you went away, yeah, we held that line. Now we all back together and it's go time. Welcome back, yeah, the chat on fire. Whole squad here taking it higher. 1 week gone, but the love stays strong. Now you right back where you belong. Welcome back, let the good times roll. You the spark, yeah, you make it whole. From the first hey guys to the end of the night, everything feel right. Welcome back to the light. So go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead.
This is really freaking good, Haas.
We ready again. Same crew, same love, right here to the end. Long back, yeah. You already know. Where you lead me, we follow. Let's go.
Haas, you have a hidden talent, my friend. This is really good. I'm immediately adding it to the stream song playlist. Heck yeah. Oh, almost started again. It's so good we had to play it twice almost. But my freaking goodness, Haas. Okay, like you came in saying like you were hesitant about that, but that is really good. That is really freaking good. And yes, I do trust Haas. He has not, but I feel like one day, Haas, you're gonna send me something that's like I'm gonna have such deep rooted trust in you that you're gonna send me something like really suspicious. And I'm gonna play it on stream. And you know that I'm gonna look at you sideways, like that mom look, but we're all gonna giggle at it. So I just knowing Haas, he's gonna do something silly in the future. So I wouldn't put it past him. All right, I have added it to the playlist. As soon as we are done with this storyline, I'll be playing the playlist. Thank you guys so much for the hype. Again, thank you so much for the raid. I really appreciate it. I'm definitely gonna check you out. Wait, what was it? Because you stream during the day, and I'm at work when you stream typically. What were you playing recently? I'm trying to remember. I don't know why I was saying I'm gonna check you out. I've already been checking you out. I'm being dumb. Trying to remember what I was watching you stream recently. Pretty sure it was Disney Dreamlight Valley. I don't think I really saw you playing any other games. But you usually stream like during my daytime hours, so I don't usually like get to hang out and chat. Let's see. When I got here, there was something glowing in the water. I dove in and I swam to it. It took me to faraway reaches of the valley and places I'd never seen before. Kitty, can you do a shout out again for our awesome raider, Lana? Is it Lana or Lana? I don't want to butcher it. I know a Miss Lana in my life, but I know that the bot pronounces it, but I want to make sure I'm pronouncing it properly. Let's see. It sounds like the Moontide Glow wanted to protect you, and now because it's time for another celestial celebration and the valley is safe again, it brought you back. That sounds like an amazing adventure. It was. I saw glowing woods, strange islands, places made of stars, but I missed you, my friends. Oh. You two haven't seen a raccoon, have you? Eating everything he can get his paws on. Miko's with you. I haven't seen him.
Huh?
That's strange. I thought he was right beside me when you called us back to this place. We'll find him, Pocahontas. In the meantime, let's get your home set up again. A lot changed while you were gone. Thank you, Kitty, for the shout out. I appreciate it. Okay, we need to go get Pocahontas settled. I think I'm gonna get her settled into the Forest of Valor because I just cleared that area out from the build that Kitty wanted to murder me or take me down. And I think we're gonna get her set up over there. Also, don't forget to do your raffles. There's one going on right now, !join. Every 1,000 points is enough to purchase a ticket to put in the raffle. And at the end of the month, whether you're here watching actively or if you are not in stream, if you win the raffle, I message you. Nice her house. Okay. I'm gonna put her over here for now, because I'm not quite sure what part of this space I'm gonna have her. Because the farming is over here. I think it would be really fun to put like farming around her. Just to surround her with nature. Let's see.
Oh, greetings, neighbor.
Pocahontas has returned at last. Now there's a lass with a true spirit of adventure. You know, she and I used to go cliff diving to get what? What? I can't imagine Scrooge McDuck cliff diving. That's crazy. You know, actually, no, because he could do cliff diving. Isn't there like an old cartoon of him in like a swim tank and bottom, like the swimsuit, like the old style swimsuit of him like diving into money or something like that? I'm pretty sure I've seen him diving into like a pile of gold coins. So he could do cliff diving, although I wouldn't think that he would cliff dive into water, but more money. I think it's the start to the show cartoon. Ah, that's probably what it is. I was like, I'm pretty sure I've seen him dive into gold. Pocahontas taught me to dive without making a single splash. For such a dear friend, this construction's on Scrooge McDuck. Aww, he's not gonna make me pay for it. DuckTales, yes, that's what it is. Let's finish a home for Pocahontas.
Whoa!
I hope she's pleased with what we've done here.
Got it.
Hello, Signals. Okay. Oh, Alice and Tion, they're talking up there. Too cute. Let's change the camera mode. I don't know. I feel like I'm blocking her. No! Okay, I don't like that. I think the selfie is much better. There we go. We're saving that. I love it. I don't know why my voice is cracking.
Ohana means
Family Guy tried to make fun of Scrooge diving into gold coins when Peter tried to recreate it and just ends up breaking all his bones and says it's not liquid, it is solid that has no give, or something to that effect. Yeah, that does not surprise me. I like the Spider-Man Peter. That is absolutely hilarious.
All right.
Let's see. Sounds amazing. I'm in. Everybody gets one.
Oh.
Okay, so we're gonna hold the celebration. Okay, now that she's in the valley, let's go check out the shop. Yes! New items! A lot of new items.
Good day, dear.
Tall harvest bowl. Hell yeah. I'm so glad I listened to whoever suggested that in Slipstream. Because yesterday all I got was clothing and a wallpaper, and I was like, I thought there was going to be a new furniture item.
Bye-bye now.
And this almost makes me think of Legend of Zelda. I don't know why, I just immediately get Legend of Zelda when I'm looking at it.
Thank you kindly.
I do like that they recolored some of these outfits too. Like this one is usually the yellow,
Good day, dear.
it's like a yellow gold rose dress, but they made it a blue one, and I'm like, oh, okay. I like the blue. I'm a big fan of blue.
Thank you kindly.
Okay. I think I have all these.
Oh, Joy
I have
takes
the
such
Mulan
good
Bridge.
care of Riley.
Okay, none of that's new. This is
Oh, greetings, neighbor. Whoa! Ho, ho, ho. Mark me words. A
Sweet.
villain and their riches.
so we did get some fresh stuff. Awesome possum. You guys remember when gloves and stuff used to like sit up here constantly? And whenever we didn't have any new things, it was just completely empty. Okay. Oh, and we can craft these now. We can craft the rose passage. Acorn drums. Ooh. Okay. Let's see if I can find it. Because it came out a while ago, and like we're finally able to craft it because it was glitched. Oh, we got music too. We gotta play. I'm all over the place. Let me exit this real quick. Turn off the music, and let's go ahead and get some music playing here. Four maybe?
That's how you get a man. Ooh, 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 yeah. Kitty said, what if he just stares at his phone? Lon said, girl, you ain't alone. Just walk by casual, acting all chill, like you didn't rehearse it with
How long ago was
skill.
it?
If he drops his drink or trips on a chair, congrats, Kitty, you got his stare. Lone whispered secret tip number 4.
Yeah, there it is. I'm gonna craft 8 total. I don't want to go too crazy because I don't know how many I'm gonna need.
Mark me words. A villain and their riches.
Okay. Let's see. Let me clean up the valley a little bit, and then I think we're just gonna get to decorating. I like the idea of working on Pocahontas, but I also don't really want to fall out of like the rhythm of decorating because I don't know when that's gonna come back. So if I'm feeling the urge for it, we're gonna go ahead and just rock with it. Finish up this peaceful meadow area, and then maybe then we move on to something else.
Feels like a core memory kind of day.
Okay, let's see. What do we have in the mailbox? Uh-oh, seems like you might have lost this during your adventure.
She was running on empty, nothing left to lose. Rain on her jacket,
Oh, interesting.
holes in her shoe.
I did not know that it was going to get that to me like that.
Every morning just another fight.
Okay, let's get to decorating. And now that we have those breezeways, I am super excited to use that. We're going to put this over here for now. And I think the breezeway would be perfect right there. Perfect time to get this. I'm going to surround it by trees and plants. Okay. Okay, and then we're gonna take away. We might have to scoot it over so the pathing doesn't look funky underneath it. Okay, there we go. Let's see. We're gonna fix the pathing on this side, and then there we go. That lines up. I was like, ooh. I was getting like inbred where I'm like, oh, that's a little uneven. My eyes twitching, but we got it fixed now. You can put stuff under it too, which is nice. I saw some friends say that you can do that, so it's kind of hard to determine what you can and put under and around certain items in Disney. Like you would think that the hitbox would be really good, and then it's like the worst hitbox you've ever seen. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. Let's see. I like this whole trash can deal. I don't know where I want to put it though. Maybe over here. It'd be fun in the over here. I'm gonna put this over here so I don't forget about it. Okay. Let's see.
Pull up a chair. We're right here. We care. Now she stands in that river of light, not just watching from the side. Typing back.
Perfect. Perfect distance. I can't put any more. Dang. I think that's a sign that we're not going to keep putting stuff there. Got it. Okay, perfect. Let's go ahead and see what other things we have.
And she smiles now, finally seeing home in the glow of long stream.
Okay. Sweet. Let's go ahead and just throw down some free stuff, which is I don't know why I went that way. If this designing crashes and starts flickering, I will rage. I'm just saying, I will rage if this system does that after they said that they fixed it. Ooh, I can see how you have Eric's house. It looks very cool from the point of view. Oh, from the water. Where do I have it? Oh yeah, not from the water. I was thinking Eric's boat, but yes, the castle. I was like, I'm trying to figure out where to squeeze this in. And my palm trees are back, folks. The palm trees are back. Perhaps, I don't know. I don't know if me making a big stink of it did anything. I'm just happy that they're back. I might do a lawn if okay. Oh, it is an honor. I don't know what a lawn means, but it is an honor. I don't know if that's a good thing or it's a bad thing. So hopefully it's a good thing. You think I can fit a bush between them? No, cannot. It's a design aesthetic. It's gooder. Okay. Hey, listen. If you slap gooder on it, then I'm okay with it. As long if it's gooder, I'm down. I need to get this a little closer. I do. Okay. Okay. see. I kind of just want to block out this area from you. I'm just not a fan of the permanent ponds. I get it why they're permanent. I'm just not a huge fan of them. And that sucks that I cannot put one right there. And I bet I can only get like 2 trees here. Yep. Okay, that might not be an option then. Let's do this. We might have to just do that. And then where's my fencing? I don't want to like fully commit to designing in it if it's just going to do something funky. So that's why I'm trying to figure it out now. Which fence looks better? I mean, it doesn't, the black fence doesn't really go with it. These are kind of fun, but I still don't feel like it goes with the aesthetic, so I might just have to craft more of the marble fences. I just wish it was even. Because this spacing kills me. Alright, we're just gonna fill it in with bushes. When in doubt, bush it out, right? So we're just gonna put bushes in it. I don't know, I feel like I want these. If you need anything, you got someone on your team that has tons of resources. I appreciate you, yes, Amy. You are amazing. Thank you so much for being on the team. I'm sorry that I suck. Okay. Okay, that looks... We have the most awesome team. It is amazing. It's an amazing team. It's very fun being able to see your pictures before, like, I get to see them posted on anywhere else. I'm like, ooh, what'd you get? I feel like this is too far up. Get a little sneaky sneak peek. Love your pics too. Thank you. Thank you so much. I didn't get my dream snap in. And I shouldn't be sad because that was at my own fault. That was my own fault. I had time to do it. I just drugged my feet so much that I didn't do it. It is what it is. So I can't be sad because I did it on purpose. As you can tell, I went crazy with DDV yesterday. I finished it all and I was avoiding life. I respect that. I completely respect that. I wish I could avoid life right now too. It's work me sucking. I think we're gonna put some trees down here. So I just got back, made a song for my papa, sent it to him, but nah, I'm not good. Divine and Lamb are better than me. Listen, I love it. I think you like don't realize how awesome that song is because it's really freaking good. It is really good. You did amazing. It was an immediate add to the list of songs. We were jamming out to it.
Under the glow, the cows align, swaying slow, perfect sign. Hips that move, a curvy trace, stepping smooth.
Oh, the rap one? Yeah, you were like, oh, I don't know about the rap one, bruh. Like, and I use bruh respectively. It was really freaking good. I was like, wow, this is amazing. You know, I used to have somebody who told me to stop designing with trees. And I would like to give that person the middle finger. Because I love designing with trees. Oh no, I didn't mean to do that. Stop, stop. I don't want to do that. Whatever that mode is, I still don't understand it. We'll join you with that. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, that's crazy. I was like, what? They're like, I don't like designing my valley with trees, and I was like, this isn't your valley. This is my valley. Trees. Because I used to have, actually it was like, where was it? Right here next to this pond, I had a secret garden, and it had like a bunch of the wooden, like, what are those called? The fences with the flowers on them. And I made like a secret garden here, and you had to go through like the, I cannot remember what the name of that thing is, but you had to go underneath the walkway, whatever it was, to go into it, and it was surrounded by trees, and I think I still have a picture of it. Let me see. I do. Oh my god. I do. Oh my gosh. This is my very first picture I saved in this game. This is 2023 lawn. This is 2023 lawn. And I made a secret garden. And I was literally told by this person to stop decorating with trees.
Bruh.
Yeah, this was, you can literally see it. It is 17 October 2023 on the date. And I was just like, I got into decorating, and you can still see the tear in the sky from the original gameplay. That's funny. I'm avoiding my feelings, so I'm freaking great. Oh, he's like, we're not going to address feelings right now. My dad is just an old country boy, so I made a song about our last name and tailored it to parts of the family and sent it to him. Then we got to talking about taxes and tires. I freaking love it. And he's like, bam, here's a tree. You get a tree. You get a tree. Everybody gets a tree. Go poop and you will feel better. Yeah, you know, when I feel like shit, maybe it is poop. No. I don't know if that is the fixer-upper for some of these things, Sauce. Yes, everyone gets a tree. Yes. You know, it baffled me. And at first I was like, okay, yeah, that makes sense. And then, you know, I realized it doesn't make sense. And I was being bullied. Lesson learned. All the trees. Exactly. Especially because they're like free. Like, why not? I didn't pay shit for these trees. These are the best trees ever. They're free. Alright, let's see what this looks like. I'm still upset you were in a bunny cam. I'm upset you were in bunny cam. Bunny cam. Wait, what? What bunny cam? Oh. Like, wait, what? Yes, you couldn't see me tear up. Because this song was about me and Kitty. Look at this. This is so... Okay, listen, we gotta look at this at night time. This is gorgeous. I freaking love it. Oh, Eric, where are you running to, buddy?
This would be the perfect day to be.
This is so pretty. It's pretty. Yeah, I love it. I probably should change it. Yeah, it's gonna be hard to decorate the graphics like this. That line is divine. Oh shoot. Alright. Let's see, what else do we need to put here? Like, I'm not trying to do anything too crazy here. Let's see what we got. Still gives me chills. It's such a good song. But being real for a minute, I keep saying I'm not good because I used that as a way to keep myself humble. I've always done that. I shit on myself so that I do not get conceited. I understand keeping humble. I get that.
Empty Keys raided my stream with 5 viewers.
Excuse me, sir. This sweet bean just came in here.
Hey! Listen!
Run! It's a stampede! The game!
Hey! Listen!
Don't look back!
Keys, thank you so much for the freaking raid. How are you, dear? How is Disney Dreamlight Valley? What are you doing? Are you like playing the Pocahontas storyline? Have you messed with Olaf's Emporium? Have you held the baby, Miko? Have you held him? I need the baby. I need to hold the baby. Thank you for the shout out. I appreciate it. Thank you for freaking bringing your amazing community in here. I hope you are doing well, my friend. Were you up to the designing? Are you liking the changes? What are you thinking about the game? We're just doing some designing. I did unlock some of the dioramas. So that's pretty cool.
One!
Hi, how are you, Sarah? What you up to, dear? We're just designing here. We're just doing a little design. I do need to incorporate these somewhere. I think I'm gonna put these in I think I'm gonna put them in the veil. I'm not quite sure yet. But we unlocked Pocahontas and I went into the shop because I was like, I must hold off until I get Pocahontas. So I've just been kind of going around and looking at what I want to do. I think I like this idea right here because that fits perfectly. Picasso, right? I could never like master that. You've been playing the update. How are you liking it? How are you liking it, dear? The stream was good. I played the new season of Speedstorm, and after that, I played DDLV. I tried talking to Pocahontas, but she glitched me. What? No way. How did she glitch you? Picasso, indeed. I have to look up that glitch. You know, it's like every update, there's always something more. But my palm trees are back. I'm super excited about that. As one amazing community member likes to say, the glorified ashtrays. They're no longer glorified ashtrays. They're actually palm trees now. I have yet to encounter the design exit screen flashing. So I am pleased with that. I'm hoping it stays that way because I will be very upset if that pops up again. And I'm getting back into the game. I'm multi-gaming. What do you got? Like Heartopia on one hand and then like Disney Dreamlight Valley on the other. Can't wait to share my look at my Valley. I am so excited. I pressed the X button to talk to her and there was nothing. She was aura farming the entire... Listen, she has every right to aura farm, okay? She is amazing. I actually dressed like her as a kid when I think I was like 3 or 4. I dressed as Pocahontas. I kind of like the look of this. I'm gonna take this bush away. I'm taking the bush. I'm revoking it. Not allowed to have it. Lawn multi games all the time. She plays EDV with all her emotions. All. You know what? This game be playing my emotions for sure. Keys, thank you so much for coming here. I appreciate you. I did see you lurking. I did not anticipate at all a raid, so thank you for bringing this amazing community over here. I hope to not scare them away. I'm playing Pokopia and Dreamlight. Aww. Oh yeah, you are on your Pokopia kick right now. How's that going? How do you like the designing in that game compared to Disney Dreamlight Valley? I need to know. I need to know. I finished it all. It was fine. I'm just happy that she's in the game. That's good. So she's in the game, but you aren't able to start her missions. Love supporting wonderful and Picasso people. Well, Keys, you are true art. You are the finest of art, my friend. Absolute Picasso, okay? I think I'm gonna actually put these. I already have Pocahontas level 10 on my PC. Oh, wow. Wow. I'm not judging. But you most certainly did not waste your time grinding that out. I know a lot of people who have actually finished the level 10 quest because they really wanted Miko. I was like, okay. I mean, if you can grind it out that quick, hey, more power to you. But I cannot. Can I not? Oh, is it this is this an interactable? Did I just screw myself over? I haven't started her quest yet, so you can't even get her quest started. That's crazy. Because a lot of the new items, apparently, I don't know if this is 100% true, but a lot of the new items are attached to her entry into the game or into your valley. So we played the first portion of her quest to get her in the valley, and then sure enough, I got a whole bunch of her new stuff. I finished the quest, friendship quest, star path, and exhibition. Holy moly! Yeah, you did say you were avoiding people. You were just avoiding adulting in general. So I mean, fair enough. Well, at the point I got her, I had unlocked the last Pegasus I needed, so Miko was the only one I needed. So are you literally 100% on the companions? Story of my life? My God, I wish I could avoid adulting. I wish. Literally will go to jail if I try to avoid it, which is crazy. And it's hard to explain why I will go to jail if I literally avoid adulting, but it is what it is. Let's go. There we go. I'm just filling this up with cherry blossoms. I have the emphasis on every companion in the game, including the Star Path ones, DLCs, and premium. Girl, you were collecting. You were like, absolutely, we're not playing any games here. And yes, I had the turtle from the current. Nice. Do you have a life? She does. She does. She's just a big fan. On top of the Pokopia addiction. I like that there. I like that there. We're just doing all the bushes. Can I get a bush redeem for all the bushes in this build? Can we get a bush, please? Because we know we love the bushes, right? We love the bushes. By the way, love all the trees and foliage. Hell yeah! Middle finger to the person who said that I shouldn't decorate with trees. because I was always working when I was out. Oh my gosh. It took me almost 2 years to get that damn peach pig. That's how I was like, I'm the Calico Bunny. I got so fed up that I didn't have like a day off from work to get it that I literally drove from my job to get that damn bunny. Because if there was any companion I was gonna 100%, it was the damn bunnies. And we all know. Exactly, middle finger right there. I still think that they need to add a Gummy Bear Island to the game. That would be kind of fun. A lot of people want to add swimming to the game. I think that would be interesting. I feel like Disney has a lot to work on before we can get to that point, though, unfortunately. A lot of people are getting upset with the museum because of the Calico Bunny's availability. So basically what I feel about the black turtle right now, I'm not gonna make a stink of it, but I do think it sucks that it's like time gated. I would love to have the beginning game magic back in the game for like, yeah. I think all the premium content has kind of like really killed the magic for me. That was definitely uneven. So I like that there wasn't a whole bunch of premium items in the shop this time. But that can still certainly change again. So right. So right. No, I did not. I'm gonna grab this. Ew, I don't know how I feel about that. Can you tell which tree I really like in this game? What tree does Lon really like in this game? Well, let me tell you. She likes this tree. And thank you for the bush earlier. I appreciate the bush. Let's see. Then you add more trampoline style traverse mechanics like you had in the Alice in Wonderland thing. Yes. Let's see. I'd like to see added to the game. What do you want to see added to the game? I wasn't gonna go get the Mooney bundle, but that house, I caved the aviarium. Wow, aviary. I don't. Words are hard, guys. That building with birds. Yeah, that one. Is very pretty. I wasn't a fan of the outfits. I really wasn't a fan of the outfits.
Ohana means family. Family means nobody
gets left behind.
or forgotten.
I was yawning, clearly. Oh shoot, guys. I'm looking at the time, guys. We're getting to that point. We are getting to that point, guys. You know what time it is about to be, right? About to be nap time for Outfit is growing on me, but not the cat mask. Yeah, the mask is a little weird. That's pretty. I like that. Ooh, and maybe like a seating area over here. Read up, Lon. Okay. How about we add either new or consistent game devs who can go through and fix a lot of the issues instead of just adding new content? Haas, you speak too much truth. You speak way too much truth. You can't be that truthful in here. That's not allowed, sir. That's not allowed. You make too much sense. Okay? You're gonna have to stop. Not allowed. What's this? You know what? I kinda like that. Kinda like that, like you have to use this gate to enter this area. We will see. Although you can kind of just go through it through the sides. But whatever, we're not being that picky. Because there's like a summoning spot here. I don't remember if this is like an interactable.
Means family.
I have a t-shirt that says Stitch, with Stitch that says Ohana means family. Love it. Freaking love it. I'm a huge Stitch fan. For sure. I love Stitch so much. I just came back from Disney World. And I caught two Stitch pins, 2 or 3 Stitch pins. And then I also got my first Loungefly bag. I got my first Loungefly bag. I finally did it. I finally caved. Loungefly finally took their pound of flesh from me, guys. My favorite shirt, you know what? I bet it's the most comfy shirt too. It sounds like the most comfy shirt. All right, we're gonna leave this right here. Congrats on your last. It's amazing. I actually have it over here. I'm afraid to use it. I'm afraid to use this. Here we go. Let me exit out of here. I'm afraid to use this bag. It's so cute. Look at it. I got the one where Stitch and Angel, she's licking his head. It's so cute. I freaking love it. And there's the little duck. The little duck is there too, guys. Look at it. I don't use mine either. I need to. It actually has the Disney parks too. It's like official Disney parks. I'm like, oh snap. If I'm gonna get my first Loungefly, it might as well be at the parks, right? You have Wally, Eve, and Peter Pan. Cute. Let me scroll up. I don't want to miss. I have so many issues with that bag. Oh, like what gets me, and I'm just spitballing here, is that there are a lot of Disney IPs that they can add that would give interesting mechanics, but they won't. Yeah, like the horse mechanic, I feel like they just like added more issues into the game because of that. Let's see. Besides the Stitch shirt that says, "Don't make me do stuff," there was another Stitch shirt that I saw somebody wearing at the park. I don't remember what was on it, but it was really freaking cute. There was a lot of people wearing Stitch, actually. Stitch is becoming really popular in the United States. It's very popular. He is very popular in Japan. Like, incredibly popular in Japan. But he was not very popular until like a good 5 or 6 years ago. What issues do you have with this bag? How come Angel can lick Stitch and it's cute, but when I do it, I get slapped? That's not right. I mean, you haven't licked the right person. You gotta find someone with that kink. All right, let's see. I'm gonna move this over here. And there we go. And then we're gonna find somebody to raid. I'm gonna turn off raids. Thank you. If you're watching and you're considering me for your raid. Ha! You can't do it, but I appreciate you. And I have caught people trying to raid me as I like turn off raids, which is absolutely hilarious. Like, oh, Hook is a codfish. Yeah. I love Peter Pan's like sassy comments towards Hook. It's 10 o'clock, guys. We gotta figure out this raid.
Lon.
What? Okay, Lon, tell me how I go about putting a licking kink on a dating profile. Let's hear it. Let's see. Well rehearsed with tongue. Expert navigator with tongue. There's so many things you could put on there. Proficient liquor. Certified linguist. They're like, what are you what are you certified? Exactly, like the tongue. Okay. Let's see. I'm gonna prioritize who's rated me recently. Okay. found it. Sorry, I didn't mean to smack the mic. I did it again after. I apologize. Thanks for the laugh. I'm glad that I made you laugh. I don't. Usually we don't get unhinged. Thank you.
Somebody is now following.
Thank you so much for the follow. I appreciate it. We have anonymous follows, but I am curious. Was the tongue commentary what was like the final like, yes, we need to follow this person? You don't have to answer that. We are a very larger friendly stream. I just appreciate you being here. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Can I recommend someone for
Somebody
you?
is now following.
A soft yes. Yes, you can recommend.
Look at this team.
I'm
We're gonna do great.
Hi, Jericho. How are you, beautiful? How was Phasmo? How was Phasmo? I haven't played really since the update. Tavern Gods. Okay. Okay, let me check. Let's see. Looks like they're actively playing. They've been streaming for 4 hours. I love the moth aesthetic. It's very cute. Hi, hi. How you been, beautiful? Let's see. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get this raid set up. I have not raided this person before, so I'm not quite sure what the response will be. Typically, I raid people that have raided me. Sicklet but healing? Yeah, I heard that you had like some sickness going on. Like, I don't think it was like a flu. You didn't like get positive or anything though. Like just a really vicious common cold or something like that. I'm trying to remember the conversation because I'm pretty sure you talked about it in Slabs. You will beat this, Jerica. Yes, she's got this. Yeah, I think it's a bad cold. You're at 50,000 points? Hell yeah.
Never gonna give you up, never gonna let you down, never gonna run around and desert you, never gonna make you cry, never gonna say goodbye, never gonna tell a lie and hurt you.
Perfect. Sorry, I had to. Thank you for the rickroll. I appreciate it. You will not get feet pics out of me. There is a clip with my feet in it, but you will not get feet pics out of this. Alright, so there are the raid messages. I'm going to throw that in chat again one more time just because it got buried underneath some messages. Popping in from the Bunny Burrow is our raid message. There's no emotes attached to it because that means you can use whatever the friggin' emotes you want. We are not raiding a team member, so if you are part of the stream team, the show stream team, don't use the team member raid emotes. Nope, this is a new raid message. This is the new one. Hey, what's some merch shirt? No, that's not the new raid message, Sicknos. That's just because I keep forgetting to advertise it. I'm gonna spam this. Please don't. Sicknos, we will have a very long conversation after this if you do that. I found out pneumonia is going around here, so I think I had walking pneumonia. That would explain why you were really sick. Thank you so much. Hopping in from the Bunny Burrow is the raid message. Don't listen to Sicknos. Okay, don't listen to him. Alright. Alright. Let's see. Okay. Alright guys, I'm gonna get ready to head on out. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate you. I'm gonna keep designing offline for Disney Dreamlight Valley. We should be playing Heartopia this Saturday, but I might make a poll in the chat to see if people want me to do Disney Dreamlight Valley or Heartopia. So if you are in the Discord, look out for that poll. And if you, I probably will, if I don't get like a good response from the Discord, I'll probably just start streaming and just chatting on Saturday. And then I'll let you guys decide what the hell we're doing that day. I need my unhinged brother. Dragon has been pretty busy recently. He's even kind of been like away from the Discord a little bit, but he's got life happening, so. Have a great night, guys. Sweet dreams. Thank you so much for being here. And as always, with every raid, I just ask that if you can just throw that raid message in there, give all the love that you can, and if you like the vibes, go ahead
Look
and
at
give a
this
follow.
team. We're gonna do great.
And just if you want to lurk, that's more than awesome. I appreciate it. Hi, Cozy Bro. How are you doing? We're about to raid out. How was your stream earlier today? I didn't get to watch it. You get me. You do like morning streams and then you do evening streams. You tricking me. I was lurking. I appreciate you. Thank you for the lurky turkey. I love you. I appreciate you, Taco. Guys, you gotta check out that Cozy Bro. He is amazing. Also, amazing team member. I appreciate you. Oh, the cozy campfire. I was there this morning. Couldn't. The freaking signal at work sucks. I need to hear the little Irish penny whistle. Alright guys, I'm gonna stop yapping. We're gonna go ahead and head on over to this amazing person. Let me get this raid started. Alright, get this raid going. I appreciate you guys. I will see you this Saturday. Thank you so much for being here. Love you guys. I will see you later, and look out for that poll, okay? Look out for that poll. I'm gonna stop yapping. I'm gonna shut the hell up. We're gonna get out of here. Bye!
Sunrise finds her already awake. Tiny shoes by the door, plans to make. She's got dreams on hold, hope on replay. Still makes magic out of every day. She knows every laugh, every tear, every quiet fear they never say. When the world feels heavy and loud, she's the steady that won't fade away. She gives her best, even when she's tired. Turns small moments into something high.